Look, it's a bobcat. Look, right there, right there, right there. That's a... Oh, I'm stuck. Kiss. Oh, kiss. Let's go get the bikes to go on a bike ride. Haven't you heard I'm the internet girl? Every picture of me is like, oh my god, it's her. It's gone, I sold it. Ugh. Ugh. I'm stuck. Hey. Let's go to the track. Oh, yo. Watch out.
You didn't even tell me.
I said watch out.
Yeah, watch out when she was right there.
Well, it's not. I thought she was right there. What if I give you a kiss? Just a little kiss? Oh man. Hi, we are just going on a little bike ride and POVing the whole bike ride around South Lake Tahoe because in the winter time it's very beautiful here and it's definitely nice to go outside when it's cold out, but the outdoor activities are limited. But today's a nice, beautiful, sunny day, so I decided let's go on a little beautiful bike ride. Let's wait for her because she's a little bit behind. The trail. Oh, I thought this was the trail for some reason. Oopsie. Oh, but there's like a cat. Look, it's a bobcat. Look, right there, right there, right there. That's a bobcat. I've never seen one outside. Yeah, they're like little... That was a bobcat. I've actually never seen one out in Tahoe. But I know they exist here, but I've never seen one. Wow, it's a beautiful cat. I think I did, I hope I did. Have you ever seen a bobcat? No? It was cute, huh? Oh, it's so sick. Should we go capture one? Keep it as a pet? But first, let's give you a kiss. Just a little kiss. Oh, kissed you! Appreciate you, my man. So that guy was just cleaning the little trail, taking off the ice. He's on his one-wheel scooter, but it's really awesome. He's just cleaning it. I mean, whether if it's just for him or for everyone, but it still benefits us all because he's cleaning that. What a nice guy. Let's wait for her. Okay, we're good to cross. Light signal. I want you in front. The camera wants you in front. You're tired? We're almost done. Careful. Ride slow. Hey, what's your name? None of my business. Later, alligator. Whoa. It's the community college right here. Honestly, a really nice school for the small town we have here. They offer so many programs. And that's where I went before I went off to Santa Cruz. Let's slow down just because I'm waiting for her to catch up, but she's taking a little bit too long. And I just want to let her know that I was telling you guys that she's super slow. And she's riding like at -10 miles an hour, but I still enjoy this peaceful little bike ride. Hey, I was calling you out on camera. I said that you were driving so fast. I had a hard time catching up to you. You guys know the truth, I didn't say that.
I'm so tired.
How about we go to the El Dorado beach and go home? Yeah, we take a right and go straight. How does that sound? I think it sounds great. Wait. Yeah. No, it said to stop. I think we do something illegal here. This way. Quick. Yeah. Watch out. You might spin out. I think somebody forgot their bike right here. Oh no, it's missing a seat. Oh no, they took the seat. Someone forgot their bike. Oh. Now this is the main 50. This takes you in and out of town towards the Nevada side and going down towards Sac, Placerville area. Wait. Go. So again, this is the main 50. That's the middle school over there. Who saw you that? Like, which one? He saw you almost crash? I don't know why you went that way. He was all like giggling, dude. I think if you would have eaten it there, you would have made his day. When I saw you turn, I knew that was gonna happen too, but I thought you knew to turn this way because it leads you to the same road.
No, I wanted to go up there. But the other shit was
Steep.
uphill.
Yeah. Huh? Where? You want to buy water? Want to buy water? Let's buy water. So we're gonna stop here at the liquor and get some hydration in ourselves. Okay. So I'm in forgot they don't sell plastic bottles in California anymore. It's all this now. But look at this water.
It's so good.
Okay. Oh! Oh! I think the tire flat out after that one. Oh. Let's go catch up to her. Ba, 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 ba. Shall we have a friendly little race and see who wins? I don't believe it's icy. I think you cheated. False start. Therefore, runner-up wins. This is another beach spot. That's really nice. You actually get closer to the water. Let's go look at the ducks. Those little guys.
Bye.
That's so embarrassing. Alright guys, if you guys want to see any more new action-packed adventures, definitely like and subscribe the video, and definitely check out for our next video of a peaceful bike ride around the world.